Hi guys, welcome to the channel. We're at Frankfurt Motor Show the day before the first press day, Volkswagen Group Night, and today I'm going to show you what is already been shown and plenty of things to see. So let's kick things up with this RS6 behind me. Okay, so one of my favorite cars of the show, RS6, new generation, totally crazy, 600 horsepower. Let me show you how it looks from the rear. So aggressive. You know, you have this exhaust over here, 600 horsepower estate, totally crazy. This time coming to US and Canada, and overall this is my favorite car from Audi stand, and you know, definitely one of the best all-rounders on the market currently. So let me show you the rest of Audi crew over here. So we have the facelifted Audi S5. Then we also have the world premiere of the Audi Rs7. So same engine. Well, what do you prefer, the RS6 or the RS7? I think this one looks so good, but I am a bigger fan of the RS6, I must say. And let me show you the car from the front. There will be in-depth review of all the major cars on this show, so do stay tuned and do subscribe to the channel if you want to see them all on my channel here. Let's move on. So we do have some other cool Audi models, and we can go now over there. Okay, so this is the ID.3, the brand new Volkswagen. So this is the full electric model, a very important model for the Volkswagen. They say this is just as important as the Golf, so should be, you know, the car to watch. There have been 30,000 allocations already, so 30,000 people already reserved this car without even seeing this. And after today, I think a lot of more people will buy this. Starting price less than 30,000 euros, full electric, 500 kilometers of range. So really good car, I think. And also I will do an in-depth review of this one, so do subscribe once again. And what do you guys think about this electric car? So Volkswagen says the first car was Beetle, very important. Then second, very important, is Golf, and this is the third. So those are the big words. So let's see if the ID.3 can live up to that. The star of Lamborghini stand is this, the Sian, the hypercar. Only 63 are being made. Each one has a price of 3.3 million euros, and it's all sold out. So every one of those is already sold out, even though the price is so high. But it's crazy. So it's a first mild hybrid car actually from Lamborghini. Features a Aventador V12 naturally aspirated engine with electric power, electric motor. So tell me in the comments what you think about the design of this car. It's very futuristic, and I think this is how the next Aventador you know, will look like, something similar to this. And of course it was inspired by Terza Millennio, this one for sure. And overall crazy design, and I don't know, I think it looks maybe a bit too futuristic. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. And this is how it looks from the rear. So look at this, crazy lights. You have the dual exhausts here, and as I said, mild hybrid actually. So small electric motor and a V12 naturally aspirated engine from Aventador. And here we have the all-new Taycan. So the first all-electric Porsche. It does look very impressive, especially in this layout here, crazy with this electric illumination all over it. Of course, first electric car from Porsche, range 412 kilometers or 450 in the turbo version. So we do have the Turbo S and Turbo engines, electric motors, but they call it like that because customers are used to that. So basically, customers want, you know, something that they could recognize, and that's Turbo S and Turbo. So let me show you the car and the details. Of course, there will be in-depth review. Don't worry about that. So just a first look, I think it looks very good. It's a combination of Panamera, I think, and the Porsche 992 actually. So let me show you what I'm talking about at the rear. So here at the rear you have the completely, you have the tail lights that are connected just like the 992, and overall I think looks fabulous. Really, I just don't like the wheels. I would go for the full black. I don't like this white part over there, but other than that, car looks so cool. Okay, so this is the Turbo S, and this is the regular, the Turbo. They both actually have 625 horsepower. However, in overboost, this one, it's totally crazy, more than 700 horsepower, crazy acceleration, crazy top speed, range also very good, 412 kilometers, more than enough. And when Porsche says that, it really is. So at least I'm hoping, but I think really it will be. And here you can see the car without the, you know, all the exterior parts. So the future is near. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the all-electric Porsche? And here it is, how it looks from the inside. So you have actually one digital cockpit, then you have the additional big screen over here, 10.9-inch screen, the middle one, and then you also have the additional optional screen for the passenger. So like complete digital revolution going on in here. What do you think about that? Do you think it's too much or just enough? Tell me in your comments. On Skoda stand we have the new Scala Monte Carlo edition. So the top trim, you can pair it with different engines, but you can immediately spot it with this black chrome parts and very aggressive looking wheels. Then we also have the facelifted Superb, and this time in the hybrid version, so the plug-in hybrid. What do you think about that? And moving on, we also have the Kamiq in Scout version and also in the Monte Carlo version over there. So as you can see, all the Volkswagen Group cars are here. The first Volkswagen Group night on the Frankfurt Auto Show. Let me show you the Superb Scout. So this is also new. The Superb now has the Scout version. Looks very good. I think this is the alternative to A6 Allroad, of course the cheaper alternative to that. And well, let me go through the other cars on the stand here. Once again, Superb, this time in the estate version, also plug-in hybrid. So I think you already know that Cupra became independent brand from Seat. So now it's just Cupra, and this is their new concept SUV. I mean, just look at this. Interior is so good. I love the steering wheel, and I hope that it will make it to the series production model, you know, soon. It is called Tabascan, after a village or I think a city in Spain. And this is how the future SUV models from Cupra should look like. And Seat also showed something new. So this is the Tarraco, the biggest SUV from Seat, but this time in the FR trim, so the sportier trim, and also in the hybrid version. Let me show you the rear of the car. So there you have it. Okay guys, and let's finish things off with some of the Audi models. A1 City Carver, Q3 Sportback. I think this one is gonna be a good seller. A6 Allroad, and we have Q7 facelift, and probably some of the surprises for tomorrow. So I'm glad that you watched the video. I hope you like it, and see you on the next one. Do subscribe, there are plenty of videos to come. Comment please below which one do you want to see in-depth review, which car do you want to see. I will try to answer you know, your comments, and try to film the car for you. And well, that's it. On that note, I think it's time to end today's video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.